quick little editing video behind the scenes on how to shoot a surprise proposal and how I edit photos from a surprise proposal. So this is a shoot I did last week in Carmel by the Sea. Just a few frames. This is definitely not the full gallery, just a couple of the highlights, some different lighting as well. Go to the first photo. This is the actual proposal. Perfect. I'm gonna go here. I'm going to click profiles. True Tone Profile Pack 2, as always, my favorite profile pack. Profiles are different than presets because when you choose a profile, it doesn't auto adjust your sliders or your dials. So you still have a lot of control. You can still even control the intensity of the preset too, which is kind of fun. Or you can also decrease it, making it very easy to work with without changing any of your dials. So that's one reason why I like profiles over presets. So let's just reset this again. So here, profiles, profile 1, perfect. I like to zoom in as always. Contrast, bump this up slightly. Perfect. Exposure up a little bit. Looks a bit cool, so bump up my warmth. And that's a quick little edit. So let's do it before and after. Before, after, pretty fast. So now I'm going to copy and the next photo. So this is when she actually turns around and sees the proposal. Loved her reaction. She was so amazing. So I'm going to paste my previous preset. So again, that's one of the problems with copy and pasting. It doesn't always translate. So we're going to zoom in here a little bit. We're going to drop my exposure. Perfect. Drop my contrast slightly. Drop my whites. It's a little bit bright right here on the back of his shirt. In this situation, we are side lit, so the lighting is a little bit harsh here, but I think this still looks great. I'm going to add some grain, a little bit of texture here, perfect. And I think I'm also going to drop my tint, just so slightly, perfect. And I really like that. So let's do it before and after. Before, after, True Tone, Profile 1. Next one. Right here. I'm gonna crop in. Just like this. When shooting and editing galleries, I like to really add a variety of close-ups, some wides, some medium closes. I don't want every photo to be the exact same focal. Like, I think that can make a gallery look really boring. So we're gonna crop in here. Perfect. Perfect capture. I mean, look at this moment is amazing. So we're going to go True Tone Pack 1. Perfect. Drop my whites, highlights, bring up my exposure quite a bit here. Warmth up a little bit. You can kind of see right here in the shadows that it's a bit purple. So I'm gonna go down to my shadows and I'm going to maybe that was a little bit too much. Perfect, that's much better. I'm gonna add some grain on this. And a quick before and after again. Before, after, beautiful. Next one. Profiles. So we're gonna see how this affects these photos. But I think I'm gonna go True Tone 2 just to change it up a little bit, you know? I mean, this is already so beautiful. This location is amazing. Drop my tint a little bit. And I love that. Amazing. before, after. Oh wow, what a frame. Perfect. True Tone 1 click is all it takes. Before, after, amazing. Love these profiles. Like, they've made my editing so much more consistent, so much faster. It's actually just remarkable. Again, this is just a tutorial in Lightroom. I do take these photos into Photoshop to do the actual retouching. Wow. Okay, next photo. Crop that, zoom in. Perfect here. It's a bit cool. Bring up my temperature, drop my tint, just like that. Grain, texture, maybe bump up my shadows ever so slightly. Drop my white significantly here. Might drop my whites even more. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Still a bit cool to me, so I'm going to bring it up. Bump my exposure a little bit more. And I think that looks great. So before, after, right on. So here's the full set. I love that. And that's how I edit photos from a surprise proposal. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, drop them down below and I'll make sure to get to them. Thank you so much for the support. See you in the next one.